Hey there editing enthusiast, Asadullah here, and today I'm going to drop some knowledge on the art of screen pumping in Premiere Pro. Buckle up, it's going to be a ride. Start by adding a thrilling video clip to your timeline. This is going to be the canvas for our epic screen pump. Position the playhead where you want the screen pump effect. Make sure your clip is selected on the timeline and head up to the effects control. Click the stopwatch next to position and scale to forge the starting keyframe. Press the right arrow on your keyboard 3 times to move the playhead forward 3 frames. Alter the position's first value to 820 and the second value to 442. Voila, Premiere Pro is now adorned with the second keyframe for position. Ramp up the scale to 120, inducing a second set of keyframes for scale. Our canvas is coming to life. Press the right arrow 3 more times, marching forward another 3 frames. Here, click the reset parameter button for position and scale, conjuring up third keyframes, taking your clip to original position and scale. Now behold the magic as you play it back, a captivating screen pump that will leave your audience on the edge of their seats. To inject a bit more adrenaline, drag the first and third set of keyframes closer to the middle set. And if you are feeling particularly daring, how about a double screen pump? Copy the first 2 sets of keyframes, then journey back 6 frames by pressing the left arrow key 6 times. Prolong those copied keyframes at this temporal crossroads and voila, witness the birth of a double screen pump. And there you have it, a screen pump sensation that will set your video apart. Bravo! Thanks for diving into this tutorial with me. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. And until our next editing tutorial, happy pumping!